Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube video. It's the home of the 5 minute or less video. I better turn the camera this way. You're going to see all the stash of cookies and stuff I got, and I don't want you to see them. Anyway, I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. This August, I will have been doing this for 40 years. Welcome to the home of the 10-minute or less video. I've worked over, I don't know, somewhere around 10,000 cases. Been doing this since '73. Many of you have come to me because you've seen me on the national news. I thank you for that. You can see my videos, and you can see, more importantly, my staff of former IRS agents and attorneys and CPAs at 777, that's 37s IRS.com. I do these videos for 3 reasons, just so you know. So you get insider information when I can share that. I mean, not everything is an insider information that I do. I educate you, and I can help you make informed decisions. Today is more of an education of what you need to know about your 1040X. Lord only knows how many people I've talked to about the 1040X. So if you've made a mistake on your tax return and you need to fix it, you simply go ahead and file a 1040X. How long is that 1040X going to take to process? Could take anywhere between 3 months and a year. It all depends what season IRS is and how many people are there, whether you can file it electronically, you can go back 3 years and do that, or whether you have to paper file that. Many people say, well, you know, IRS went ahead and filed my tax return. Do I go ahead and do I file an amended return? No, you don't. What you actually go ahead and do is you just file an original tax return and mark on the top original tax return. A lot of people do not know what to do when IRS filed their return, and if you want to correct IRS mistake, it's very simple. You're going to file a tax return simply that says this is our original tax return, and that's it. If you have collection notices coming out because they're saying you owe tax, you can go ahead and delay everything. You can just simply tell IRS, I filed my original tax return, here it is, or here is my amended tax return. So in both situations, you can do different things, but you need to hold IRS off in case you've got an aggressive agent on the other end of the line. So it's that simple. Once again, if you need to file an amended return, you can go ahead and do so at any time. The last 3 years, you can do it electronically. And then if you need to go ahead and IRS filed your return, you simply go ahead and file an original tax return. Don't amend that return because you never filed an original. That's all you have to do. If you like this information, boom, give me a subscription, because I thrive on those, only because YouTube says they're important. If not, I wouldn't care. So those are very important to me. You're welcome to leave a question. I try to get to most of them. I'm getting a lot, so I just try to do what I can on given days so my mind doesn't just at the end of the day. Thank you for this subscription. If you have an idea for a YouTube, leave it in my comment section. Thank you.